Hi everyone. Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, the place to be for all things health and wellness. If you're a foodie, a health enthusiast, or someone on a journey to transform their vitality, today's topic is perfect for you. We're diving into the wonders of Irish moss, also known as Chondrus crispus. Irish moss is a type of red seaweed found along rocky coasts of the Atlantic Ocean. Places like Ireland, Jamaica, and even New England are brimming with this incredible superfood. Not only does Irish moss have a rich nutrient profile, but it's also steeped in tradition and cultural significance, especially in Jamaica. Get ready, folks. This is about to get delicious and nutritious. So what makes Irish moss so special? First off, it's a nutrient powerhouse. Packed with iodine for thyroid health, potassium, calcium, and vitamins A, E, and K. It's the kind of natural remedy you want in your corner. It's even known for its skin benefits, aiding in hydration and elasticity. Need a digestive aid? It's got your gut covered too, thanks to its soothing mucilage content. Now, let's talk about its versatility. Irish moss is great in smoothies, soups, sauces, or skincare products. And here's a fun fact. In Jamaican tradition, Irish moss is often transformed into a beverage mixed with milk, spices, and sweeteners. Think creamy, flavorful energy boost. Many even consider it an aphrodisiac. Trust me, you'll want to try it. Wondering where to get your hands on Irish moss? It's commonly found along Atlantic coastlines like Ireland, Scotland, and New England, and of course, in Jamaica, where it's deeply cherished. Luckily, you can source dried or powdered forms at health stores or online. From there, it's easy to soak, boil, and prepare for your recipes. Irish moss is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and improve heart health. Its potassium content also supports healthy blood pressure. With its ability to enhance metabolism and promote satiety due to its gel-like consistency, Irish moss can be a valuable addition to weight management plans. The iodine in Irish moss supports proper thyroid function, which plays a role in brain health and cognitive performance. Irish moss contains natural compounds that may help reduce joint pain and inflammation, making it beneficial for those with arthritis or similar conditions. Thanks to its nutrient density, Irish moss can help maintain hormonal balance, which is crucial for overall well-being. The gel-like consistency binds to toxins in the digestive system, assisting in a gentle detox and cleansing process. High in vitamins and minerals like zinc and magnesium, Irish moss contributes to stronger, shinier hair and scalp health. The dense nutrition in Irish moss, including its magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins, makes it a natural energy booster. Irish moss can also enhance hydration levels, as its gel-like properties help retain moisture, benefiting not only your skin but also your internal health. There you have it. Irish moss is a nutrient-dense gem that deserves a spot in your kitchen and wellness routine. Whether you enjoy it in a smoothie, a traditional drink, or use it for skincare, the possibilities are endless. So give Irish moss a try. You just might discover your next health obsession. If you love today's tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep sharing amazing content every week. And hey, drop a comment below if you've tried Irish moss before. I'd love to hear your thoughts and recipes.